This is going to be a video tutorial on how to view jobs that you have archived on LinkedIn. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I'm logged into LinkedIn. To view a list of jobs that you have archived, first thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to these tabs. You want to click on the Jobs tab. Then on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on My Jobs. Then on the center pane, you have some tabs across the top here, Saved, In Progress, Applied, or Archived. I'm going to click on Archived, and that will show you a list of jobs that you have archived on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.